Manglar House by Arquitectura Estudio in Chuburna Puerto, Mexico. Located on the coast of Yucatan, near the Chuburna Mangrove, Casa Manglar emerges as a sanctuary for rest, designed to harmoniously blend with the surrounding nature. This residential project consists of two parts, the main block and a villa, both framed by the vegetation of the environment and the mangrove that extends behind the property. From the terrace, breathtaking views of the mangrove can be enjoyed, where the palette of intense greens merges with the sky and the sea. Upon entering, we find the garage and the villa, which houses a living room and kitchenette in one block, and the bedroom with bathroom in another. Continuing on the path and separated by a garden, we find the pool and terrace. In the main block, the living room and kitchen share an open section. The services, bathroom, pantry, and laundry patio are located at the back, separated by the staircase block, where the study and master bedroom are found. On the upper floor, the terrace offers views of the mangrove and is accessed through the secondary bedroom. The choice of materials aimed to maintain neutral tones to highlight the landscape. Materials such as stucco, marble floors, concrete, solemn wood, combined with different aluminums and glasses were used. The overall concept of the project was to create a home that could capture various landscapes, offering constant visual surprises that frame the beauty of the natural environment. The design of Casa Manglar embraces principles of modernity while maintaining a close connection with its context. The integration of modern design with the natural environment not only enhances the living experience in the house, but also underscores a commitment to environmental preservation. Environmentally friendly building practices are a cornerstone of this project, ensuring that the residence not only coexists but also contributes to the preservation of the Yucatecan landscape. At Casa Manglar, everyday life unfolds in a continuous dialogue with nature. The layout of the structures and the orientation of the windows maximize views of the mangrove and capture the sea breeze, facilitating a pleasant climate inside the house throughout the year.